Hi, I'm Hunter Frankie on the road for SOFLO Taste in Vera Cadillac, and today I'm headed back to school, but just for lunch, so hop in the GMC Terrain, I'm driving. Robert Morgan Educational Center and Technical College is one of Miami-Dade technical colleges preparing students looking for an entryway to the workforce. With over 14 adult and community education centers and 7 technical colleges, students can choose between day and evening classes that fit seamlessly into their schedule. With the lowest tuition costs in the district and less than one-year programs that can place students in careers of high demand, Miami-Dade technical colleges are SOFLO's best-kept secrets. This looks familiar to me. Got my tray, ready to get some food, but none of this looks familiar to me at all. In fact, it looks so much better than anything I've been used to in school. Chef, where did this all come from?
Well, we're changing the menu this year. We're trying something new. We're going to focus this time in a Mediterranean cuisine, in which we're offering today a Spanish omelette, queen of butternut squash with coconut and ginger.
Chef, it looks delicious, but who made it?
Our culinary art students did.
It's wonderful. Would you mind if I go see how it's made?
Please do, come on.
Let's do it.
The first thing that the chef learned is how to prep, how to use the knife. So what we're gonna do is dice some vegetables.
So what's the proper technique?
Just to cut them small, dice them small.
Nice and small?
Yeah.
So let's see, I'll give it a shot here, see if I can, what I can do.
Like this.
Like this, like pushing forward.
Like that. Okay, you're done.
I'm done.
So you move to the next level, cooking.
Cooking? Oh, let's go. How's it going?
How's it going?
Junior?
Yes.
It's easy, everybody's got their name on their shirt. Junior, what are we doing?
Well, we're gonna start sauteing some vegetables with some clarified butter.
Okay.
We're gonna start with caramelizing the onions. Now we're gonna add a little bit of celery and carrots. All right, we're done.
We're done?
Bon appetit.
Thank you.
How is it? Good?
Really good.
Well, let's go to the baking department.
Great. Chef Tony, this is my thing. This is baking. I can do this. I can decorate plates. Show me what to do and I'll give it a shot.
We're going to do a swirl using a pencil, paper pencil, with some glaze in it.
All right, well, I'm gonna give it a shot. Here we go.
That's good. Next, with a toothpick, we're just going to form a small circle around.
So when students are done here, what can they do after?
They can start as a baker. They can start prep a baker. They can start working straight on the bake shop, on the pastry shop, as a decorator.
Well, what's next?
Next, we're going to put the key lime inside
and
decorate it with a meringue. We're just going to do a little circle motion like we did for the decoration of the plate.
How'd I do?
That's good.
Pretty good?
That's pretty good. We're going to finish. We're going to caramelize.
From about here, that's it.
Done.
Done. Now it's time for a taste to see how we did. That's perfect, Chef. Thank you so very much.
You're welcome.
You know, I shouldn't eat my dessert first. I gotta go eat with Chef Bencourt. I'll see you later.
Thank you.
Chef, I don't remember being served like this in high school. Can you tell me a little bit about this process and about the students?
Our students have experience. Some of them have no experience. They work together. They mentor each other. We have like 6 sous chefs because we have like 6 or 7 people who are already working in the industry. We don't focus just in cooking techniques, but we also focus on those personal skills that will help them get jobs.
Chef, this is all delicious. Thank you for having me. For more information on enrollment and financial aid options, please visit MiamiDadeTechnicalColleges.com.